So today we're going to be doing a Mother's Day idea. This little wine box, paper mache, Hobby Lobby. Y'all know this paper is one of my absolute favorites of all time. It is the cottontail background. This is gorgeous on here. Now these are the A3 size papers, and we'll still, it's not quite wide enough, so we're still gonna need a strip of the other one. We are gonna just do a light coat just because it just makes that paper pop. So the reason I decided not to cut it with scissors is because we are gonna have to blend. We have to blend the pieces where they meet. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this white portion off. And then, okay. So I didn't take that off. In case there's a boo-boo, I can always go in and adjust it. You know, I'm gonna kind of use that as my guide to keep me straight on this. I'm thinking about what I'm doing here for a moment. I'm just, like I said, I'm just gonna start in small sections because even we're gonna dry it and then we'll sand those edges off and then we'll fit another piece in there. So cute. We are going to seal this. I've used this print, or wait, this print several times. I thought that would be really cute and it fits. Oh yeah, y'all. So that, I'm gonna go ahead and poke my holes where we would be putting this. Okay, so like right there. Even if you didn't have the frame, I mean, that just blends these. Thank you so much. Okay, we're gonna go, again, this is the Pintart, but this is the Patina Green, and it's such a good color. So good, so good, so good. I'm gonna add some chameleon wax paste to our frame just to add some shimmer. There, let me show y'all. You can kind of see that. Oh, come on, stay. I will get it to stay. I'm just gonna have to wrap it. That's pretty. So we have the crown on the frame. That's cute, cute, cute. All right. I think this will look cute going around that bottom rim. It balances it out. This you can get on Amazon. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Obviously, this is gonna be laying flush. Some little roses. I don't know, I kind of, if that thing. Oh, it's definitely getting a topper. I'm gonna go ahead and get this crown on this bird. How cute. So look. If you wanted to just sit this out by itself, you totally could because it's too stinking cute.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.